see. I carry God, so I fear nothing. Steady increase in the commands. Original no be parody. You know it's clear for your memory.
Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get right into it. Today we are going to be doing I'm gonna call it a ballet course / kawaii set. Like, very simple but very effective, and it's so first we're going to be starting off with doing the French white that is going to be under the glitter. This is so cute. I have so much stuff that I either haven't used or only used for a couple clients, and I'm making it my mission. We're going to be using everything. We are going to be using everything. I don't know what I'm gonna create, but it must be shown because I'm tired of it sitting here. Okay. So now this video is in real time, in case if anybody's wondering. So you're gonna see me do the French in real time, even though I feel like people don't really understand how hard French is, how annoying French is, but you will see soon. So the way I do my French is that I draw a line down the middle of the nail. Then I usually either do one of two things. I do the smile line first and then do the sides and then paint it all in, or I do the line down the middle, paint the sides, then do the smile line, then fill it in. It really just depends. It also depends on the length of the nail as well. So let me know down below what is your method to painting French, but this is the way I do it. And then after I widen the smile line, like towards filling it in, I usually go in with the gel polish, like with the brush, and just paint it in. As you can see, it took me a while to get that border laid out, but as soon as you get it out, you just fill her in. Just fill it in carefully, but fill her in. I feel like once you get that border outline, it's so much easier, but it almost becomes like an obsession to make it curve as smooth as possible. Like, once you have the nail tech eye and you could see it, oh, it's so annoying. Now I'm just going to fast forward this part just because I'm painting a couple of the nails French. Well, wait, I'm painting all the nails French actually. So yeah, we're just gonna fast forward and I'm gonna pop back in when I want to say something about the design. Okay, now we have finished painting on 2 layers of the white French. All of the nails are French white. It looks so pretty. Now we are going to add the glitter on top. Okay, so I realized when I was doing the thumbnail, I wasn't really in frame. So I'm going to hop back in when we do the other nail. I just want y'all to see how I started, and then I'll explain it in the next clip. So I am going to be first outlining the French line with top coat, and then I'm going to be adding top coat to the rest of the nail, well, the French part. And putting on the glitter and then setting it in the lamp. You can also use rhinestone gel to do this. You can use a mixture of both actually, but for this specific set I just use top coat because it's quicker. Now we are going to be adding the dots to the other French nails without the glitter. I feel like dots and lines are like very popular now as a design. It's so nice, like it's simple and effective, but it's hella tedious. Oh great heavens. Like, you could definitely get in your head about this when you're doing the design, because if you get wrapped up in how many lines of dots you have and how many dots you do per line, it kind of gets annoying. But if you just go with the overall flow of the French, it's not that bad. we are almost done. I have one more finger left to do the polka dots on. I think I want to try this in different colors, like different color spectrums, because I also think this would look pretty cool in like the is it heat thermal? I forgot what it's specifically called. What's the terminology? Like, you know, the image you get when you sense the heat of an object. I don't know if I'm explaining that correctly, but that's what I would like to take this. Now we are almost done. I am now just top coating the nail, well, the part specifically for the glitter, just top coating the part that doesn't have the glitter, and then for the French with the polka dots, top coating the whole nail. We are in the final stretch. Thank you. This design was super fun and it's super cute. I definitely see myself doing this on one of my clients. Comment below if you would get this design. Comment below if you would add charms, because I feel like it's enough by itself, but let me know if you would add charms too.
Living life, in my fire, burning bright within the inside me. Small leeway, mighty, then the band, I